Onene nyadwen say na meme ye hwan. Meme ye hwan nye Kristo adawro man ka de furu bi tize go bi oduro me ye hwan. Na be gina o say me nyame asem nyadwen. Ya wo ni nyame asem nyadwen sese. Ha? Nyame asem se suro me na ntema kwan so. Chiri bone tan bone. Fa homa me ameshira wo. Am se me mpewe na mpede yen. If I win, I'm the name of Jan, my father, and my father, and my name Azanse, Hunu Chrono, a poor boy, no many idea. Name honey at time near Marco to prison, name your hall, Crofok of family true, no many idea, back and all that. I'm a baby, you say, I'm a brain and me fear, but no, my poor futu, my punya mia some casachere, my poor, and I'm some punti, me bre. I'm telling you, na Ghana, I'm telling you, upunya mia sa upunya mia futu ne kasa chere, uchiri nimdiye na uchiri namsu obebre. I'm telling you. I mean, share, you know, pa na no enra ye news na Africa kurobi omo president na hwako krabi. Edi en bone ne hayemo. Minejan wo venye. Minejan wo venye. Edi en bone ne hayemo. But there are very young people, smart ideas, fresh concepts and ideas. You know, you are poor for the scripture place. You are poor for two. You chirinya misuru. A poor for two chirinya misuru. Now me answer, you see, a two for a kenimu a yin ten. And I just quoted the scripture. I quoted 2 Timothy chapter number 4 and verse number 3. I just quoted 2 Timothy chapter 4 and verse number 3. Yeah. If it is a brief, but the time will come, they will not endure sound doctrine. Go to verse number 2, turn it into my language. In my language, he said, you know, pemuka asem no jinemu breye, ene ne enyimu, asem no eyinten, eke nimu, etufo. Ewa abojo chire ne nchire mu asem no eyimte asem onyame asem bia enyimten kan ni mu no enye nyame asem firi de nyame dono no no otea no de nyame dono no no otene no se wo de wadwene ane se nyame da bia okrokro you will be blessed everything. That's not God. That is not God. You will go to America, you are the best billionaire, you are the next. That's not God. You know, and that is why when he is teaching you, he can teach you Proverbs chapter 1 verse number 7. Yeah, the nyamia sam no is not like receive it one, receive it two all the time.